This Father's Day, it's time to think a little outside the box. We need to move past the idea that blooms are just for mum, because honestly, dads love flowers too. In September, the garden is just waking up, and it's one of the best times to give dad something a little unexpected. Right now, the blossom trees are absolutely stealing the show. Ornamental pears, flowering plums and cherries are bursting with stunning blooms, signifying the start of spring. And if Dad loves his garden, then a blossom tree is the gift that he'll appreciate year after year. If you're looking for something else that's flowering right now, camellias are a great choice. They flower strong and they're a classic, reliable and tough, just like Dad. Plus, they're pretty low maintenance, which I'm absolutely sure he'll love. You've also got daffodils and jonquils popping up everywhere. They bring that fresh, feel-good energy of spring, and they're as cheap as chips. Plus, you can plant them just about anywhere, even straight into your lawn for a bit of fun. Staying on the cheap and cheerful side, think ranunculus, poppies, and freesias. The colour choice is incredible and you can never have too many. And although you may not have seen Dad with a vase full of flowers in the past, I reckon that might change from now on. If you want to make Dad a bouquet by yourself, just keep it simple. Grab a handful of daffodils and jonquils, maybe some ranunculus, and a sprig or two of blossom if you've got it. Then just cut the stems, tie with a bit of string, and you're done. No rules, no fancy wrapping paper, just a thoughtful gift from nature. So this Father's Day, give Dad some flowers or get out there and plant something together. Because the best gifts don't sit on a shelf collecting dust, they grow. Happy gardening.